What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to run Android 11 applications and games on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To run Android 11 on your PC, you must use an Android emulator such as BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a popular choice to run mobile games and apps on your PC, as it allows you to customize your keyboard and mouse controls and performance settings to tailor it to your preferred usage. Click on the first link in the description to get to this page. From here, make sure to download the BlueStacks 5 setup installer to your system. This should take a second to complete, and you can follow the install wizard to install the application to your system. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks should open up automatically. Next, before downloading apps from the Play Store, you should create a new BlueStacks instance which runs Android 11. In your BlueStacks menu on the right-hand side, click on the Multi-Instance Manager icon. A new window will open up. Click on the blue Instance button and select to create a fresh instance. In the Choose Android Version drop-down menu, select Android 11 and click on Next. You then have the option to apply the main performance and display settings for your new BlueStacks instance. I will set these according to my native resolution and overall system performance, but you might need to lower these when using a low-end PC. Set the CPU cores option to high as well as the memory allocation. When running resource-intensive applications in the background, you might want to set this to medium, but the emulator might lag when playing demanding games. After clicking on Create, the emulator will download the required files to create the Android 11 instance, and you can then stop the previously opened BlueStacks app player and start the Android 11 app player. It will take a couple of seconds to start BlueStacks. If you want to download apps, then log into your Google account in the Play Store application. Next, look up any app from the Play Store and download it to your system. While downloading apps, head over to your emulator settings by clicking on the gear icon in your menu bar. I prefer to enable the high FPS option and set the frame rate of the emulator according to my screen refresh rate. If unsure about your refresh rate, right-click your desktop and select Display Settings. From here, make sure that the correct display is selected. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. This will allow you to preview your refresh rate and change it if you want. Also, if you troubleshoot performance issues, make sure to enable the FPS counter option. In your display settings, set the display orientation to landscape and choose a fitting resolution to run mobile apps and games on your monitor. You can also adjust the size of this window by dragging its corners. After opening any app, you can make use of the tools provided by BlueStacks to adjust the game volume, change the controls, toggle full screen mode, take screenshots, and much more. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.